Greetings everyone and welcome back to the channel. If it's the first time you're watching this channel, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in, and welcome you to this channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a lovely immune booster tea, or you can drink it cold if you want, personal preference. Before I get into this video, please remember to like, share and hit that subscribe button. Here I have some fresh ginger, bit of turmeric, bay leaf, I have some cloves, nutmeg, cinnamon, peppercorn. Will not use any salt in it. And this is a peppercorn here. So I will add some of it to it and I'll take you through the process. So I'm going to use about 400 ml water in this. And I'm going to add 1 bay leaf in it. So I'm going to add 1 bay leaf to the water. So while that is boiling, I'm going to take you through the process, what I'm going to do with the ginger and to combine everything together. I'm going to go ahead and rough chop these a bit. Then I'm going to put it in this. Ginger is really healthy for you. It's good for your stomach, it's good for nausea, it's good for pain, anti-inflammatory, it's good for cold, flu. So while that is boiling, just going to slip a lid on it. So with this now I'm just going to grind them a bit. Some peppercorn in. And cloves, I'm going to add it in. This is what it looked like. Then I'm going to add turmeric. This time I'm going to put this in the pot over here. Piece of nutmeg. This here is ready. What I'm gonna do, turn the gas down a bit. So now I'm gonna add my paste. This is what the paste looks like. Put it in. Gonna give it about a minute. Now turn the gas off. Look at that. This is what it looked like. So I'm going to add half of lemon. in it. Drink this on a daily basis. You don't need to see any doctor. Get my cup ready. The rest you can cool it down and put it in the fridge. That's the finished product there. Looking good. Very nice and delicious. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave positive comment. Peace be.